Blockchain has potential use cases in almost every facet of every industry. We could spend the time talking to you about those potentials, but let's look on the ground level and see what happens when theory meets reality. Walmart has famously partnered with IBM to create a blockchain-powered supply chain that tracks food provenance globally. This supply chain tracks the food from farm to plate. This network is a ledger with a previously unprecedented amount of transparency, thereby enabling a greater confidence and trust in the trade, and ultimately in the system. With this use case, your local Walmart can track the chain of custody of food products beginning from the farm, ensuring the authenticity of its quality along the way. This also allows Walmart to better communicate market value food prices as they relate to their own inventory. The city of Dubai in the UAE has already moved their business registry onto a blockchain. In fact, Dubai is looking to be the world's first smart city, and they imagine blockchain to be the essential technology to thrust them into this title. Along with their business registry, they have also moved much of their real estate onto a blockchain too. But it doesn't stop there. Dubai eventually wants all of their government programs and spending to be managed on a blockchain. Speaking of governments, the government of Estonia has moved their voting system onto a blockchain as well. In this system, a citizen registers to vote via a blockchain, which encrypts their personal data in the same ways that are used by cryptocurrencies. To ensure trust in the system, only citizens can access their own data, and at any time. This makes the process of identity protection and management a lot safer and easier. On the other end of the spectrum, another potential purpose of blockchain is to power a decentralized autonomous organization, or a DAO, in which companies can operate without hierarchical management. In short, DAOs aim to hard code certain rules that a company normally would from the start. This could be setting aside a certain percentage of earnings for a cause or determining a process by which such a rule could be changed. This all sounds pretty normal for companies, but the rules for companies are not normally enforced digitally. The best example of a DAO is a company that was launched in 2016 called the DAO. Although failure occurred within a few months of the launch, the initial plan was for participants to receive DAO company tokens and then to use those tokens to vote on projects. Those projects selected would then receive funding as well as a defined set of rules. Anyone with internet access would have the ability to possess tokens, enabling participants to have an equal say in the actions of the company. The DAO was ultimately brought down by a malicious member who used a loophole in the system to steal millions of dollars. As you can see, some use cases are better suited for their role than others. The best thing we can do is to learn from previous applications of the technology and use that knowledge to pilot new use cases. In our next video, we will be discussing the future of blockchain.